Ever wondered how to skip, stop, or safely do nothing in a Python loop in just 3 minutes? You will understand break, continue, and pause, all with simple examples. What are they? These are control flow statements. Break stops a loop completely. Continue skips the current iteration. Pause does nothing. It's a placeholder. Part 1. Break. Let's break a loop when we find a number divisible by 3. For I in range 1, 10, if I divisible by 3 equal 0, break. Print I. Save and run. Control plus S for save, Shift plus F10 for run. See the output. The loop prints 1 and 2 but stops completely when it hits 3 because break was used. Part 2. Continue. Now let's skip printing the number 5 using continue. For I in range 1, 7, if I equal 5, continue. Print I. Save and run. See the output. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. This prints all numbers except 5. When I is 5, it skips that iteration. Part 3. Pass. Finally, pass is used when you need a placeholder, like in function or loop. For I in range 3, pass, define todo, pass, save and run. The pass statement tells Python to do nothing, but without throwing an error. It's like saying, I will fill this in later. Quick recap. Break stops the loop. Continue skips one round. Pass placeholder that does nothing. If this helped you understand, like and share it with a friend learning Python, and hey, hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss the next lesson. We are building Python step by step.